Decades ago, I managed a television channel. I got to decide what was on when, and I got to choose all the shows, and it was very exciting, and I was only 25 years old, and the job made no sense to me, but there I was, in Italy, with my own television channel to run. Now, I'm an estate planning attorney, and I don't have a television channel, but I do have a YouTube channel, and it is full of very, very fun videos, like Avoid Lazy Estate Planning. That is one of my absolute favorites. Maybe you could check out this one, or maybe that one. We even have a 20-minute estate planning fundamentals shortened workshop for you to watch. We are very interested in having subscribers. I think I only have 7. So if you could please take the time to watch me on TV, like and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. My name is Patricia Fonte. I practice estate planning with heart in California. Estate planning is 3 things. What about me? What about my staff? And what about the people I leave behind? It's not complicated. It's not depressing. It's charming and collaborative and adorable.